Hi, welcome back. I'm Kathy.
I'm Robin.
And we had a request for the Yonanas. It is a healthy frozen, what do they call it? Healthy dessert maker. So it's like a frozen
Smooth?
No,
It's a yogurt.
Like a yogurt.
Kind of makes a yogurt. Yeah.
Yeah. So I am excited to try this.
Yeah, I know.
This. We have a recipe book. So this I bought at Bed Bath & Beyond. It was $39.99 and I had a 20% off coupon. They have another model, I think it's called the Elite. It was $119. That's a huge difference.
And this one was
$39.99.
That is a.
So it says it's the Elite is quieter and I guess a little heavier, so it works a little better.
Okay.
But we'll see. So so that makes me a little nervous to how well this one is really going to work.
Right, but you still think in the $40 range it would perform.
Right. So here it is. Not sure exactly what we're looking at.
Let me see, Kathy. Let me see what we're looking at.
So I guess this is maybe a
So it
plunger.
comes assembled because it shows you how to take it apart as well. But it is a plunger, so you shove your stuff in. This is a shooting blade cover. Shooting blade. There's a blade cone in.
There we go.
There's a blade cone in there. There's a gasket in there, and there's a bottom cap.
So can you actually open it?
Oh yeah, it all comes apart.
Okay.
So there's the cone, and inside the cone is a gasket, which is like a little seal.
Okay.
Yeah, a gasket, and then the cover. Cap. The cap.
Cover. The blade.
It's got blades.
So this is all safe to wash, I guess. I'm going to wash this. And
It says
wash
warning
this.
blades are very sharp. Do not touch the blades. Do not submerge the base, plug or cord in any liquid, or allow any liquid to enter the motor. Everything else are dishwasher safe. And it says wash all 5 components of chute assembly with soap and warm water or on the top rack of the dishwasher. Wipe base with damp cloth.
The what?
White base.
Oh, the base. They said white.
The what?
White.
The wipe. I'm sorry, I'm a little nasally today. Tennessee is still blooming, and it's got me a little snotty.
So here is the gasket. So that goes,
Just pops in.
pops back on.
Be careful with the blade.
And it does tell you how it goes. Is this side up? So
Very sharp blades.
there we go.
Do not touch.
And then this screws.
All right, that's easy enough.
Let's see.
Okay. It's locked.
All right.
And there's it's hard to see, but there's like a padlock. Okay, can't see it all. So there's like it, unlocked, locked. So it tells you which way to turn. So it's
Plug it in. I guess it just starts running. Does it just start running?
I wouldn't think so.
Or on and off switch?
Has to be maybe.
On is that.
So we're making Yonanas. That's what it says we're making. So it says let the bananas ripen until cheetah spotted.
And I did that, as you can see in this video.
And cheetah spotted looks like that. Okay, and then it says peel and freeze the bananas.
Check.
And slightly thaw all frozen fruit. And on this it says if you pull it straight out of the freezer, do not move forward, it's too cold. It needs to be out 7 to 10 minutes, and that's perfect. And if you go more than 10, it's gonna be too mushy to use. Okay.
We're at about 10 minutes
Yeah.
now.
So insert half of the banana.
All right.
One half of the banana is what it says.
Because we're doing
But they're
strawberry
showing
banana.
a whole banana.
I know, so I'm confused.
So they show a whole banana, but tell us to enter half a banana.
But in the direction, like this calls for 2 bananas and a 3/4 of a cup of frozen
I say put it
strawberries.
in just like that.
Okay.
So they do show a picture of a half of a banana.
Yeah.
So it does say it has the cheetah spotted, and then it moves to a half a banana.
But I guess if you were only doing a banana one, And by the way, you don't.
No, because then it shows
There's some
strawberry.
recipes without bananas, just in case you don't like bananas.
Right. No, because then it says after the bananas, you'd insert a handful of frozen fruit and repeat steps 4 and 5. So half a banana, then some fruit, half a banana, then some fruit.
It's very confusing.
I don't know. And then this recipe says to add 1 frozen banana and then a 1/4 cup of frozen strawberries. Alternate remaining ingredients.
All right, I'm gonna see what happens. Oh, here it is. I wonder if it's
Maybe now you know why it needs to be half. What's going on there? Yeah.
and there's
Yeah. Okay.
put a few strawberry. They still pretty frozen, so it's like a.
Okay. Okay. I'm not liking what's happening
All
here.
right, well, let's continue on. We'll see. Maybe it gets better. I'm using some force. But it's like,
You are using some force?
yeah, I mean, I'll let you do it.
Okay.
But, it's half.
It's coming out in like a ribbon.
What was last? Banana.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Gotta put some oomph in it there,
This is
Kathy.
making quite a bit.
Yeah, it is.
I'm surprised.
Smells good.
So it is a little loud. So if they, like they said, the other one's a little quieter. I guess that's enough. We could try it like this. I
Yeah.
think I had a cup of, it's called for 3/4, right?
It called for 3/4.
So it was a little less. So, and 2 bananas. So, let's see. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it comes out in a ribbon, and it's just strawberries and bananas.
So,
If you want to have like some ice cream, but you don't want the ice cream, I'm going big. She's going little.
I don't taste the strawberry. I taste the banana.
I taste a little of both. I mean, banana's always overbearing,
Right,
but
yeah. The strawberries feel a little icy.
like ice chunks.
So I wonder maybe if I let them sit out a little, because it's like the timing seems like it has to be
Right. It's really good though.
like perfect.
I mean, that tasted like strawberry, but I had more of a strawberry bite.
Right. That's the only thing about getting it consistent as far as mixed, I guess.
But if you're eating it, you can kind of mix it
Right.
yourself.
But yeah, like you said, if you want ice cream but don't want,
Ice cream. I mean, this is a good substitute. Very creamy.
very creamy.
I'm impressed.
Me too. So I thought we would try one. This was an interesting one. It is cookies and cream, which would be a banana and Oreo. So I'm really not
Are the
sure.
Oreos frozen?
No.
So
So
it's just a banana and Oreos.
I feel like it's gonna taste like a banana with Oreos, but we'll
Is it
see.
supposed? Right. Well, it's, yeah. If it has a banana, it's,
Right, it's gonna taste banana, but it's like, is that a weird combination?
right.
And then we're gonna try
Is that
one.
your own recipe?
No,
Is
it was
there?
in the book.
Okay.
And then we'll try one with no banana, with just a citrus, almost like an orange sherbet.
Oh, yeah.
Down.
It's just around the seal. Okay. Lots of edible goodness right there.
Yeah. Right down the there.
There's still quite a bit in there that you can scoop out. So we're at 8 minutes. Okay. We are 8 minutes exactly on this banana. So we are going to try a cookies and cream recipe, which I'm very skeptical of.
Which was right here.
Although I am impressed with how the strawberry banana ended up turning out. But.
Yeah, so we'll see. But I must say, this is one of the nicer recipe books that I've ever seen with
A product.
So
it does say banana first and then cookies?
Yes. Insert banana. Add 1 cookie, yeah. All right.
All right. Here goes nothing, kids.
Oh, that comes.
Oh, it turned off.
Oh. Maybe it's not. Let's give it a second. Maybe it needs to be 10 minutes. I'm worried about it getting too soft, but.
Right, because it says mushy, like it'd be a mushy mess. So apparently there's a safety feature. It turns it off if it...
Second one out. Is that reset?
No.
Oh, maybe you gotta unlock it.
Oh.
I don't think it anymore.
It turned off on its own.
Very good. All right. Yeah, we just did half. Maybe that's why it always calls for 2 bananas. So you can, because there's probably a lot of stuff in there.
Yeah, but there's nothing more to push.
All right, well, that's good. Well, let's see what's in the...
Okay. Yeah, so it always stays in. It just pulls right out.
Oh yeah, so there's a lot in there. So I guess that's why it's always 2, because there's not enough to get...
To push it through.
Here, it looks like cookies and cream.
Cheers.
Looks like a banana.
This looks like I'm eating a banana with crunchy.
Well,
I get the cookie crunch, but not the cookie taste.
I got the cookie taste a little bit. It's almost like you would have to add more cookies.
Right. So we almost, yeah, right. It's just almost like a chocolate banana.
Because over here I could taste more cookie. So I would add more cookies.
Yeah. Which means you probably have to add more banana.
Right. You probably have to do the 2 bananas.
Yeah.
I would do half a banana and a cookie, half a banana and a cookie.
Yeah. So as you see, if it gets kind of hung up or caught up, it automatically shuts off, which is a good safety feature.
Right.
But in order to reset it, you have to unlock it and then lock it again to make it reset. And you have to use some serious push when you're getting it down.
So now we'll try the orange, and that'll be interesting to see without the banana. Okay, so now we're gonna try the orange. This was a citrus recipe. It was called for oranges, lemon, and grapefruit. I could not find a grapefruit. Well, I found a bag of grapefruits and I didn't want that many. So this is just orange and lemon. But look, I saved and put it in there.
Oh.
Be all fancy. Make it. Orange sherbet.
It does. And the key is you have to have enough stuff to continually push out. as much in the citrus left behind. The banana's more sticky.
It looks very cute, I have to
It
say.
does look cute in your little orange.
But we'll see how
half.
it tastes.
So lemon and orange. So let's see if it
A lot
has-
more orange.
Right, than lemon.
Ooh.
Mm.
Ooh. That's some orange.
That, my friend, does not taste like an orange push-up. Very citrusy.
Very.
It is as though I am eating a frozen orange, which I am.
Exactly. I wonder if like, 'cause it's tart.
I don't know what the grapefruit would do for it though.
I think it almost like it needs some sugar.
Which is defeating the purpose,
That's
costume.
true. But I wonder if you coated them with sugar before you froze them,
Oh, right.
that would.
turn it down a little bit.
I mean, this is
It's pretty, it bites.
it's a good word.
Yeah.
Whew.
I mean, it's kind of addicting a little bit. I'm just saying.
Okay. I was impressed by this. I was surprised what it was able to do. It does make me wonder about the other one.
Right.
It's quieter and I think it's a little more powerful. So maybe it wouldn't shut off as easy. Or
Right.
maybe that was our fault for not letting it thaw enough. It looks like there's that perfect window you have to get the fruit.
Yeah.
I would think you just have to play around with different recipes. I think I'll give it a thumbs up. I think it worked great.
I think it works. I think it definitely works and does what it was supposed to do with the ingredients. I, on the other hand, I'm gonna give it a thumbs down. I think it's way too much work and prep, and you have to put too much into it for the outcome,
Gotcha.
for the price.
Right.
So.
But I could see if you're really health conscious and you don't want to buy prepackaged stuff, you can control everything that's in it and still have
That's its pros, but yeah.
frozen treat.
Yeah.
So there's the pros and cons.
Right.
So,
There's always pros and cons, but
Right.
the cons outweigh the pros for me, so therefore that's how it got its rating.
right. For me, I think it would be a good way for my kids to eat fruit.
Yeah. Yeah.
If it was frozen and it could add, whatever to it. Because once again, I am really impressed with this book. Because most products, even in the Ninja Foodie, which was pretty expensive,
Right.
it was not this good.
Yeah.
So
It's a nice recipe book.
I'm very, very impressed.
Yeah.
The photos are very
Yeah,
nice,
they
the
are.
recipes. But I think it comes down to you playing around with it and figuring out what you want. So anyway, like I said, this was a request we had. So I hope this helps.
Yeah.
And if you have one of these or if you've used one, let us know. And if you have the Elite one, let us know how it's different from this one.
Yes.
So that brings us to
Question of the day.
question of the day. This is kind of a silly question.
Oh. Okay.
If you were male for one day, what would be the first thing you would do? Let's see if you say what I said.
What? Stand up and pee.
Exactly, that's what I was gonna say. I would pee standing up. That's what I would do.
I mean, because that is kind of a perk.
Right, it is. That would be the first thing. So what would be the first thing you would do if you were the opposite sex? Let's keep it PG, please.
Please. We are a family channel.
So, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe. And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. And thanks for watching.
Have a great day.
Bye.